When it comes to converged networks or enterprise networks, we've noticed three major trends happening in the world today, and especially in this region, in Middle East and Africa, we've been noticing that the first major trend has been the data center. The prominence of the data center has really come up, and IT managers have been putting a lot of money into the enterprise for the data center. Even though we talk about the data center, we think about the data center as a room. It really begins with the human conversation. It really begins with the human being and the conversations that they have. So in the way that the world has changed today, with the explosion of conversations occurring with voice and video, we have been, the enterprise has new applications. The second is virtualization. Virtualization has already occurred at the server level, but the next major trend is really at the desktop. There's virtualization of desktops. So can the data center handle or dynamically load balance, if you will, these virtual machines across the network? The third major trend has been the proliferation of applications and devices. Everybody's bringing their own device to the network, whether it's iPads, their own laptops, and really taxing the Wi-Fi and the LAN networks with their own applications that's putting a tax on the network. So with those trends come customer challenges, and we've noticed three main ones in Middle East and Africa. The first challenge has been the overstressed network due to the proliferation of devices, whether it's at the LAN or the wireless LAN edge all the way through to the core, to the data center. The second major challenge has been the high-end user expectations. It always has to be on. All the business users the network has become an integral part of a business user's life, so they expect the network to always be on. The third major challenge has been the complex technology. Technology, we have to face it, it's become more complex. However, the solutions that are what's going to really make a difference are the data centers that remain simple enough to adopt, cost-effective to operate, and address challenges to business productivity. So now, what is the solution? Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise offers application fluency for data center switching that transforms the data center into a multi-site hybrid cloud or private cloud that unleashes or enables the coexistence of cloud-delivered services and applications in the network, in the data center. The Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise Mesh is a unique direct connect architecture that provides a very low latency, high density, lossless fabric, and with any-to-any connectivity that manages apps as services, and that thereby unleashes the power of virtual machine mobility. The unique innovation that we provide with of virtual network profiles actually enables automated controls for data center switching that dynamically senses both virtual machine movement and application performance and reacts accordingly.